it's Monica. I'm going to attempt to make a gnome. I got this little bottle at the Dollar Tree, of course. And then I bought this stocking, which I'm going to cut up. His little beard is going to be out of the fur. And then I'm going to make him a hat. Got a glue gun all fixed up. I have some rocks to put in the little jar. Of course, I got those at the Dollar Tree. Don't worry, these are my paper scissors, so we're good to go. So I'm going to, first things, I'm going to fill this little jug up with some rock. That way, wherever I set it, hopefully it won't blow over. Oops. I will pick that up later. Yeah, I might as well fill up the whole jug. What the heck? Alright, there we go. There's step one done. I'm just going to cut this stocking apart, but not with paper scissors because they don't work. Alright, let me cut this straight across. I don't want to go through that fur. I don't need that everywhere. Alright, let's cut. Let's move that fur out of the way. I don't want that in my... all over the place. If I've learned anything with working with faux fur, you cut from the back and you don't go through the fur. Ask me how I know. I had a furry mess everywhere. Now I'm just going to kind of angle it. And angle it up. And then just kind of cut. Usually Goober is snoring today. He's insisting on barking. And that's going to get glued on right there. About. But not yet. Alright, I cut off the middle of the stocking. Now I'm just going to clean off. Oop, there's some fur. I'm just going to cut this off where the seams are from the stocking because the bottom side was just plain felt. Right. And I'm going to leave this felt in there so the hat is lined. And I'm just going to sew it with right sides together and make a little tube like this, hot dog style. Alright, let's sew this little gnome's hat. We're going to sew it right sides together, however you want to do it. All the way down the tube. Same thing with the felt lining. Now we're going to turn these right side out. Get it in there and get it up here. Then we got to fit the gnome for the hat. I am going to tuck in this hat and make it so it's all even. And I'm just going to stitch on the inside all the way around it. Just so there's no rough edges sticking out, basically. It's going to get glued, so it's no big deal. I'm going to cut me a piece of fur Sherpa to turn this right side out to get it on there because due to the fact I don't have an arm. So I'm going to sew the little piece here, right sides together, and stick it inside the hat that's inside out. Do my threads. I'm going to insert my fur inside the hat, and then I'm just going to stitch all the way around the edge. I'm going to go slow because I really enjoy my fingers. Alright. And you really can't even get this. Okay. That's getting there. Don't remember where I started from. Down here somewhere. Back stitch. And I don't really think we needed that lining inside the hat. I really don't. But now he has a little fur lining on his hat. And then I'm going to make a pom-pom for on top. Alright, and I cut a circle out of the Sherpa. I'm going to hand gather it to make a palm. And then I'm going to stitch it on top of the hat. And hopefully it will pull it down. Now I went down and got some cotton balls, because I'll need those to stuff the little pom-pom. Now I just need my needle and thread and we're good to go. Okay. Let's see, do I have one already done? Yeah, but not enough thread. Will that be enough? No. Alright, quit being a cheapskate and just get some thread. Alright. I'll use this bobbin thread because it's a bad bobbin. That's a good sharp one. Not that I need it sharp for this, but... Alright, I'm going to use a double with the thread. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go all the way around this hat, or this circle like a yo-yo, and just do a running stitch. I got a knot already. Oh my goodness gracious. What the heck? There we go. And then I'm going to stuff it with cotton balls so I have a nice big palm. And then I will stitch it on that little hat over there. So that's all I'm doing, is just stitching around. Let's get some cotton balls and put in there. I want a nice big palm for his hat. That should work. Alright, let's see if we can give him a good pull it together. Alright, that's a good palm. Now I'm just going to sew the edges back and forth just to sew it together. Alright, now I'm going to leave that one attached. And, well, there ain't enough thread for that. Oh, here's some green. I can just gather the bottom. I was going to tie it with twine, but I decided I am just going to sew around and then gather it like you would any other hat you were making. Oh, I forgot to knot my thread. All right, this brain fog has got to go. I'm really getting tired of it. Stitches. All right, now I'm just going to wrap the thread around a few times, and then I'm just going to go back and forth a few, and then knot it off. All right, I've gathered his little hat with the thread. Now I'm going to take the palm I made and attach it. I'm just going to put it right through, pull up the hat, and then I'm just going to keep going in and out of this palm, grabbing little bites, and back into the hat, or the tassel, top of the hat, you know. And then just keep going around, grabbing little bites. I want to make sure it's secure, and I'm trying to hide where I sewed before. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going in and out of this pom-pom all the way around. I had the hot glue ready to glue his hat on this bottle and his nose on and his clothes on. And boom. All right, we got our little hat. Now, I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around on the inside of this hat. If I remember how to use it, I think you just trigger it. Oh, yep, there it comes. I don't think you need this much, but all right. Now I'm going to put this on and take it down as far as it'll go on the Gnome's little hat. Feels glued to me. Let me see. Hey, he stayed. Okay. Alright, there's that much done. This is what we have so far. The gnome and his little hat. Now we got to put his beard on, which his beard will go right there. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to put this little sock on and glue it, and then I'll put the beard and his nose. So I'm going to put some glue there, and I'm going to glue it right up to the back of the hat. Oh my goodness, I'm almost out of glue already. Instead of having it just hanging out. So let me get this. Yeah, I'm out of glue already. Wow, good thing I bought a big pack. My goodness, all I did was one little tiny thing of glue. Well, I did kind of go overboard. Alright, I'm just going to glue this up along the side. Alright, where's his face? His face is going to be right there. So let's glue here. Glue there. And a little bit there. All right. There's his little outfit. Now, we need to glue his beard on. So I'm going to leave it folded there and put it across here. Because I think I'll get better coverage with his glue. Now we're just going to glue. Ouch, that's hot! Ow! Cool it! Alright, let's get his hot little beard on. Oh my gosh. There's his little beard. There else, the Dollar Tree. And there's like a off-white one. See, there are these right here. So I'm just going to use one of that for his nose. Alright, I'm going to get his nose on first, and then I'm going to put his beard around it. And then that'll decide where his beard's going. Alright, we got to get his beard up there. And his beard up over here. Oh my goodness, does that get hot. Alright, we got to even up his beard. It's a little crooked. I think his little nose needs to go over more. Yeah, his nose needs to get more glue. All right. What's this supposed to? And there we have it, my little gnome. He's been working all day. He's got glue in his beard. But there's my little gnome. And he's got rocks in him. And let's see, he was pretty cheap. Everything's from the Dollar Tree except for the hot glue. Have a great night.